Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. Should you be buying this thing? Should you be shorting this thing? Should you be staying away from it? What to do with the price action? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go more down, and until where if that's the case? So let's talk about all of that in this video. But before that, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Also, if you are interested in many other stocks, you can go to the collections on my Patreon. You will find the link in the description of this video. Here you will find up-to-date price action and the trade plan on many stocks, and this list will keep growing. So we already have a lot of stocks there in the collections. If you are interested, definitely some of them you don't want to miss out as well. They are good, very long-term opportunities at a price points that I have mentioned here. You will get all the details, what price points are telling us what, where to buy, where to short, where we are bullish, where we are bearish, and all the trade plans up to date will be here on my collections on many stocks on my Patreon. Link is in the description of this video. All right, let's get back here on Nvidia. So Nvidia is, guys, in the downtrend. Okay, now downtrend didn't just begin today or yesterday or day before yesterday. We are on Nvidia. Overall structure has been weak. Let me show you on my tools as well. Let's turn on my another tool here. So you can see that we have been in this red structure over here since this $203 area. Not even a single, even a proper, like a bullish strength formation happened here. And we are still in the red structure on Nvidia overall. Again, if you need access to these tools as well, links are in the description of this video. You will get access to 4 tools that will help you in your trading journey. All right, everything will, they will give you real-time information when the market is running as well, and you will be able to make decisions for your day trade, swing trade, long-term trade, anything however you like. You will get onboarding videos on how to use these tools as well. All right, so Nvidia being bearish right now, there is no sign of buying. Okay, we at least have to see a structure form in any bullish strength, at least a which will be with a green candle. But as I just showed you on my tools, there is no sign of that. We will not turn bullish on Nvidia from where we are. We are at 175. We will not turn bullish on Nvidia as long as we continue to stay below $184. We stay below it, we will remain bearish on Nvidia. Where can Nvidia go all the way to? Right now, $164 is the first potential target. Okay, as we stay in this downtrend, and after that, we also do have a possibility of testing around $152 down here. Okay, those are the possibilities on Nvidia because it's in that downtrend direction, and those are the magnets possibly that Nvidia can retrace back all the way to. Now, if we do get 152, because if structure will start to change, which you will get an update on my Patreon in my collections, and you will receive a notification as well whenever there is an update in the trade plan, or when I see a price action change, I will be updating my collections on Patreon. Okay, so, and you will get a notification whenever there is a change in any of the given stocks, as long as you have joined that membership. So here 152 is where I do consider Nvidia will be a buy opportunity if we get over there. And I do want to see a stabilization there first, and if structure formed for an uptrend, as I said, I'll be posting regularly on my Patreon collections, but that would be the zone where I would be interested to get into Nvidia, at least start a position again. Okay, and if we start to, let's say, bounce at 164, most likely that first time will be a rebound unless I see a break above a structure, which as we get closer to that, if we get there, then I'll talk about that. But right now we are in the downtrend. The only thing can save Nvidia is if it's somehow, without going much further below or without going much closer to 164, we break out above 184. Right now chances of that happening are very low, so I would not consider a bullish strength on Nvidia going in this week, at least the way the price action is looking like right now. That's all I had for you guys in this video. And with that, we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.